Hey guys, today I'm going to be opening up Easter Shopkins. Let's get started. Okay. Alright, it's so hard to open. Oh. There we go. And it comes in this cute little picnic basket or Easter basket, and this slides open like that. Here's the collector's guide. And it comes with 2 Shopkins. Let's get the first one open. First I have Cheeky Chocolate. I'm pretty sure. What is his name? It's probably Shopkins, it says. No, yeah, it's called Cheeky Chocolate. And then next one. What? Ooh, what's this one? Ooh, his name is Googie, and all of the Easter eggs are Googies. Awesome. The limited edition is even a Googie. Thank you guys so much. Goodbye.